because that little orange light.
Oh, I'm recording! I is not a retard, B.
Yes, you are. You hit record.
Maybe I meant to hit record.
Punch you in the face.
No, don't do that. That's mean. Whoa. Get away, get away, get away. Leave. Oh, it's cold. The floor is cold.
I'm literally.
Frankie's being a loser face. Show a surface. Aw, don't flip me off. Ow, my ass.
What can I do? What can I do?
I don't know, but I can totally do this. Look at that hand. So you take a drink of Pepsi. Let's say, loser face.
I'll do some street racing.
Okay, you do that. Yeah, we're gonna go. Frankie says fuck you, Adam. Okay, bye-bye.